are up 45% over last year this same time. It's Friday, April 19th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. While there are only an additional 91 homes poised to hit the market, buyers have more selection this year than last spring, but will be paying 10.6% more for that same home now. More homes are selling too. 146 homes sold this past week compared to only 124 last year this same time. Plus, sellers are getting more money at 98.8% list to sold ratio. Days until a seller gets a contract, however, increased to 18 days compared to 11 days. That means you'll need to be more patient this spring if you are selling your home until you find the right buyer. Homes for rent are moving more slowly despite only 80 on the market at a median $2,180 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, April 19th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week.